no a part of the industrialization aspect of Think Prisons 360.
No, common in Shisha because I've seen some changes in the prison service.
Very well.
So it looks like they say more pay attention to the inmates. So you whatever didn't be pay honor, you can say or we're the same. Or be spend 5 years or be spend 10 years. It doesn't matter the time we spend it. So Emre Omunkwa dia mo pese wo nya bibi mfan kura no ba abonten watimi atimi ababeka ye ho aye anya bibi mpo aye yenhwe sa I think 360
Think Prisons
360 Think Prisons 360 dia concept no dia
Think Prisons 360 ye new mantra and niama pi na ewom titru ebine advocacy no na ejawa my platform share welfare of officers na ya share welfare of inmates na ya share agric mechanization na ya share industrialization nti project and a program ye new director general no walanche nyama pi ne wom just to ensure say prison service no a wonim ne dada no ente sabium na sesei no bibia constitution no the mandate yen say yenye no ye be hyemu kena nti wo de ba industrialization a chese sa ho en cutlass enwuma no ye jaye sesei enye cap na obi de be kwa akoso nsuo anom ewo prison ba obenom sache water obenom bottled water bibia ye no at an industrial level said that nkwala no ebesua nti na mede manager aba na wabechre how nsuo production no fit into the industrialization drive of the new Ghana Prison Service. Nti manager
is it the CSP the manager in a befro I dey okeseda akra from manager na mo and soon no then am modwene say yem fa BBC make and how motimiama abewuram because mo manager omno krampo enye asam keto and motimi ajomo adwene ho adwuma say mpesemo omunsuan bibi. How is it going?
Me share with you for senior PR honestly a friend boss ono kwa na prison so a friend boss ono se ne dia no let say yenya aware say for some time past na nsuo edin wo municipality demo and so we need a huge challenge every in prison sir. We had to think of ways to get them water. Now susu sane mano hono ena idea no by say ese nyanko for betumi aboy na ya drill boreholes nti nyamyadom any citizens no goodwill nti nyanko for a ebeboy ya drill some boreholes nti boreholes na you provide them with borehole water no ena Jesus say no, the water must be treated so that it makes me ensure we potable for them to consume and health because when their health is affected, sure. Into no an idea nearby say and they say are able to me in a borehole, able to me I venture into water production. That is how come the whole thing started. Yes, and I'm 2024. 2024 and February 2024.
Great. And it's roughly 2 years now.
Yes. We have just stepped into our third year.
How is it faring? Oh,
Yamiadum, any
Mohon Munini.
Mepacho.
Okay, Mikasa. Okay. Mikasa. Okay. All right.
Yamiadum, citizens no participation and patronage into a year. Rebecca say, Yamiadum.
Now, share how is the patronage yenya ye wa bonten no ye aware na ye aware ebia because you go mo beka say in a prison phones you when me so mu no come about
and so they very come
so you have patronage na it
patronage nti na ye wa hai aha Kofi bebre nche danim say nsuo bi sa ho although in our own small we market no no nti all right but Oliver asked for more. You will have a bubble who now with team for your numerous listeners. Everyone who say, please use. Let me stress, say, send your PR can. I am probably no bit to say, we be prison if you say, no, inside. The be prison be also a haunted. Me say, me clear, sir, and kakra say. About prisons, over shrine of prisons, the prisoners themselves, Nakasakra, they are very neat. Although challenges or congestion they are very concerned about their neatness over there. And we be able to be neat. But you should know, and inside one outside
just
the prison,
like any mineral water production.
Sure, outside the prison facility.
Okay.
And between the facility and the Bank of Ghana, space now. Okay. And I set it up. Try and public number. It goes back into serving the inmates and the
how is the distribution like? Say public can be interested so pursue nyebia omraho and amod the good come supplies the other saying it distribution.
Yes, your tracks are call out. And so we here be na say o my yetia you be to me at the abroad maybe
more contact number.
Your contact number.
Available for now.
Available.
Okay. Mo ya mema mo the number no. I just said you be betimi afre na mo de nobody na say.
Oh, you from Kra.
Go be back at prison for years mu here can TV na mo de no.
From Kra say oh the market is saturated.
Book ready or say.
Oh the market is saturated. Aha, nti ye deal no ye a little below the normal market price.
Oh, yeah, that must say. How is it changing the prison? More much you now you have the inmates involved in its production.
Sure.
Send Ebola prisons, Monema.
One provision of water to the inmates themselves. Tisiano, more potable water from a reliable source.
On fresh.
Sure. Do natural mineral water and one of
that's why I'm a prison. Why I can't be saying
I don't know
and I'm also so crumbs when you new uniforms. They say that's a mood to bring up.
You better abide us. And you pay for what they want very or has saying. And yes, you know there. Then about training the inmates. Last year, I set up water bottling machine. Now, I'm be set up now because now inmates know how buanti. 2 of the inmates expressed interest. Say, so maybe they would want to join them, and the people were ready and willing. Say, as soon as they come out, they give them their contacts. They should call them. So it's created an opportunity. So if prisons are. Already will be I don't know and some of them also get involved in the actual production.
Okay.
Until Pierre or an inside or they obey to me akopay juma or outside now. So this is how the motive is to train, give them some trade skills. And also to find them some money. We pay them. Inmates, we pay them.
Okay.
And will be our account for prisons.
Yes. Bank account, you mean?
I won't say bank account.
Okay, now. Okay.
Property account. Okay. And see, BBBI about one it has to go through that account. Then you request for it.
Manager account,
but another section, a department or what, a manager. Sorry.
Oh, yeah, you know, you're not an account. And I don't feel so deep and over to Virginia or the
over to me. And this I also say, I don't know or call discharge, whatever is in that account. is given to
nice
him.
a pension pay, no?
Something like that.
If I say, prison, no more yam as I are going to be say, you are never say, we they don't know boss, and I catch it. And say, I call the prison now, obviously, for Besrawa or Mobaya. So, no, she show up when junior coaching until your love for is seen anymore. And you are going to be at the prison. I do this house, someone here can be a Montias here. Yes, some more chrono, and I'm Ramada, and then inspect a bed, then ye, and you know. That's one why. But it's all good. I mean, before, no, we have a prison, some Oklahoma, or say, as our life for Barry, but it's now becoming the reason why prisons are there, say, at least for reformation.
Yeah.
And thanks to the Ghana Prison Service. Bukari, my member, now, the more ye as a more industrialization be a prison service, you know, more aim the same concept and the same.
One say per constitution, no, rehabilitation, one of your core mandate. And indeed, crime, the research actually say crime and unemployment a very high correlation. Even the good old books say the devil finds work for the idle hand.
Exactly.
And sa any man on so any until once wabahono through the industrialization drive no as I say yetimi mao insanu juma.
Okay.
Sabi se oba hono na na uni insanu juma o kono de se ode insanu juma e kona ankoye se ejuma na uni nti e na wo kwa akodi bone ba se wo we ejuma ye se ne amasa po bia lay foundation anya hwe kra wo koye nya capital kakra e kan wo ho ma wo de koy wo betumi a establish wo ho sabi de nti na obesan akwa akobokro no ba o de no fa through reformation programs no nyina mu na wan rehabilitate no ampensa no dwuma bi amma no a okwa sabi ebi akomon ponti wanya sika anto eduane aninti na sabi wasan akoye bibi bone a ede no beba ho nti say yetimi rehabilitate omo omo insanu dwuma no to a large extent okwa emma ne sano emma presence ye ho ebamfaso in aduafo no awapie no nso ne ho bamfaso ema nation no the region to be specific any oman mu no nyina.
What is this initiative amodia by think Prisons 360 ne de mo ye nyina no mo anso eboa mo kakra is it isn't that load almost stress no more nyina mo de ba eboa mo hu se eboa nso eboa mo na.
Oh yes, me ka say eboa yen especially o share industrialization no has technology embedded in it.
Okay.
And let me use just a single innovation and technology abwa. Say Oba Central Prisons for times past. And I remember that and the commander Baha.
Okay.
I mean, mischievously, obi, though productively mischievous, but like I say, now what is a nubone ewo prison.
So question where maybe
seriously, I have
obi cry
as part of thank you as part of industrialization. Yeah, the technology ebe solve this problem. Come in no kasai scanners aba. Central gate where install it.
Jahansa.
Thank you.
I would say we Bukari had dream. Yeah, didn't come on. We will see. Question about Kubin Kono person Bisanam said, I was say, I see we were prison on my prisoners no crown to me yet to me ton we ma womo.
Exactly.
If you want to me bab one team beton, woman can't say no bonum dum su we. And then there's so much me bab one team to be to we. So we incense semono. Oh, Hannah at the saying,
yes, of true technology.
One woman and she boom.
That would be a very unfair comment. But however, it is you're right. But just imagine say omodini panabra say
the omo share from here o she.
Na me she na akwala nso she a o ye da kotunofo.
Na mumie no mo pie no.
O ye da kotunofo. Aba omodina abra no. Wa said ni say obehwe amananya adwen sakra. nti wo ntimi nkoye ana wo ntimi nye de ono oye no invariably you have to be a model yourself to be able to change any panel. So yes, with the industrial aspect no embedded in technology, say a be hard say drag a be baho because scanner no a be scanner whole body whole body previously na ye manual
no so mutumi hwe motokra
eno na make
me metin me kan papa
human rights so ema ho kwan say inaduani afi abanti fa wonsa ehye ne to na hwe de ewo ho but with technology machine no de me mfa mensa so ehyemudia machine no be kire so eno na exactly easy ena ebema pressure kra a reduce on yen with regards to searches no because nipa no badodo na wo se o me pentamiti gidigidi wan hwa na wan timi anhwe nipa no mpoye ba with machine de eno ane se ote ho a wo hwe machine no so bibia ehye wo ho bia ye beyi. And for me those are the aspects I like about the Think Presence 360. Say ya dwen nyina ne de ebema ejuma no aye easy and perfect.
Good.
And another bad thing and so they say ejuma na ye no a human institution. Sabe in aduani no oda ho no onye good like I seen onye adie oye nipa adwe okuta no eno ana
sabe onye aboa
aha adwen ekuta no
asem na aba na de na be pio ena wo nso betumi be pio sabe
exactly ena adwen ekuta no ebia na ekuta nti wo dwen no ono nso edwen. Okay, so in most cases we adopting means to prevent certain bad things no ono nso advance
kwa be fa so
wow but the technology koba say oye smarter than you
ba mu madwuma na de nkrofo no ebi ma bin o na adwen kese fo nko
exactly
ba mu di agora ho beto mu
na se nya adwen kese ade na be kire se o de edubone no ehye oto a emra kire se o ntumi mfa ne nsa nhye oto ti fa hye oto nti
nansa na adwen no so
sabi tuo ya yekuta ekura ono no onim tuo no mpobo echen ti wo ye loose na ekodi ni nsam amini a wapra ba obiti ba bi ona mo de mo nya hwe na mo nya hwe ba
aya ma fotimi kama mo tesa ho
o be yetida ba ejuma no adwen ejuma na wo benya say inaduafo enan bia kutasi kan na wo prison officer ba ko udi omachi na so udi omo bekwa aba sebi se wo wadwen enso nchen omo awo ye dey assign dey
asa akra keto ka na ntwe so
exactly anti me feel said security architecture no there uyi presence fi ho a enye yi
aya mo bonyum mo mutie
o ye bonyum se ye wo
sound system ba
bibia omo hwe TV omo bonyum ye ampo ye to be ye produce nyum no bi wo presence ye wo talent
the last time who say my fashion show no
yes fashion show
mo
ya wo bibia bi
ai manager was next time no nante wo yi ne so na
na ye nyina ye wo ho
manager we nante we no so
mo manya kato kata na ha
ye sign be ye bi kra presence ye a stakeholder in the
mo join your Facebook no hu omo Christmas ade omo ye na was
nice ye presence inside when say bimpo ngin ni say ye inside ho na ye omo fi say ye no abon
say the way mama presence on I mean mo am hwe o Facebook na Opemsuo radio imagine say imiti ene omo outside kakra mutimi nya kwan
mo entire no nyina ye pam no wo ho ye pam entire no nyina max no bibia ye no wo inside
o de so wo hwe ye on Facebook a na hwe abranti na tade ye hye no na ye se ye pam no so de o de say prison ye wakoye tailor ni ho no mo ye fashion
exactly okay. So industrialization no say obia enyansa no djuma the fact say we na aduani no doesn't mean say we talent I hormone na ye develop talents no
and then the last time I made him beba
no correct
and many peers phone come ba emre komra no meta fremo na de ekoso bia wo inside the hono no ya na me question fufuru ba me de betwen
me that's
na no nso de obi ye na me ka che ne say Is it conjugal right? Is
that see my onene meda.
A man for wouldn't be catch them. Mr. Kofi. Omo was the Canadian. You're about to be piano. I'm not papa. You don't want your son. Don't want
a perception. One say, oh, my no more.
Look at me, they met to be a catch you. Catch them. Send something at me. Oh, man, I'm saying that conjugal right. You know, in our prison system.
My man can be and chill. Yeah, I'm realm. Me cry me to way. Say 6 a bomb or prisons hall. Now me were inside. Now man pay no more tum.
Makam.
Today
they no be prisoner.
Exactly. And I obia nimba be a kino. And by the laws of Ghana, says nipa be a be whom by be a prison kino.
Who locks it at that time?
And
national security. Okay.
I just cannot.
When said your cancer CIA, at least if for nothing at all, take home for today. People should understand. Say yes, say you muti APA na say you know. To say the work, why we officer no?
Wo officer no crowd.
Until officer no mu paper babon John.
That be sentina osha time bi ameka say wo officer no. Any prisoner numpo, you are the same coin with 2 different sizes. Because one 9 to cry, what that inside the prison, but not inside the cell. Also,
sure,
exactly. What that inside the prison, but not inside the cell. So invariably, also know we are prisoner at that point.
Mr. Jailer, you're uniform.
Exactly.
We are all jailers.
Oh, prison no more, but one not in the cell no more. Until they affect your mobile, affect you. Until so can officers now one can inmates no, then you are not being fair. Ye no the same people. But pass obi be pie anadwo akoye de o ya san abade menji ni se betumi asi me hu bi nso da.
Madam Asasa mobile we ba ma me come ni manja fa number ne to dwama me so bi pension ni bia edum hod de momma amanfo hu pa na
sure me pa numbers ni e miensa 0538 99 79 19
we the M9 does be ma at the case 0538 99 79 19 we omom eyinsuo no ho de enkofrefre nya we the prison fool me catch
if I just second one say 050 905 00 98
okay
050 905 00 98 the third one here 0538 99 93 63 0538 99 93 63 now number ya na
me pacho more officers
distributors no
okay
okay na ba ko me ankasa me
is Bukari is for them no
come from me personal one so enka 0244
obi peso obi se prison for nkomo no aba ho
yes 0244 10 37 73 0244 10 37 73
ba mo bi am frank as opekwan ma de bo prison say you know de nyon na ahwe
me pa cho de bi ene de
ene say me kan no mo ho na ba afi
on fa normal procedure
wo da no be na ayo nka me pese me ba no there be you know de nyon na ahwe say me kan subsequently e bia next week but yemre kona no metama mo aba na mama e briefing updates e wo de ekoso because omo ye nkrofo ni bia sadly obo mo kra said omo kan nkoto innocent and na be pure no na the way I'm handle woman and so now mama unity. Bukari, this wouldn't be the last time. John, it wouldn't be the last time. My person, time more shisha. But thank you for coming.
Thank you too.
We appreciate
it. I will say, John Quantanaso Opemsuo 104.7. Nene, many PURC. Now, no, ye ECG for Kasaya. No, Mumubia ECG for Pa. Nene, many PURC in Punion for our Hanamo. Yanunti,